Hey yo, what up people, this is your boy Jason J Kicks, and today we are back with another video. And this one, we made a great pickup, as you can see in the thumbnail and the title. I can tell you that this shoe is unbelievable. But before we go into the shoe, please go and subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up if you're liking the content. That really helps this channel so much, so please go and hit the thumbs up. Also leave some comments down below letting me know all your opinions about the video, the sneaker, or whatever that you want to say. Just go to the comment section and say it. I want to send a huge shout out to all the guys on the Instagram group. We are a group of YouTubers sharing information, helping each other, giving some tips, some information, you know. Really appreciate being a member of that group, so a huge shout out to all of you guys. And now let's go with the intro and begin this review. Hold on, let me get the box. Here we have this beautiful box. Man, this box really feels premium. This bordeaux color right here with the Paris Saint Germain logo, and in the middle we have the Jumpman in white. The feel, the touch of the box really feels premium. You can feel the logo, super dope. The bottom of the box is black with information right here. Official colorway is white, bordeaux, neutral gray. And the inside of this box is super beautiful, looking like the grass of the soccer stadium. And inside we have the Jordan 4 Paris Saint Germain. This is an extremely beautiful sneaker. You really gotta see this shoe in hands. When I first saw it, I was in love with it because I saw the colors and the color blocking specifically. I think it's one of the best color blocking. This is the same color blocking that we have in the Jordan 4's Fire Red. Beautiful, super beautiful. The details in the shoe, the quality, for real, you gotta take a look at the quality. Super dope. Incredible. This is an incredible sneaker. This shoe comes in white, neutral gray, bordeaux, and black. This sneaker right here will be a problem. I'm telling you, this would be a problem. This should be a must-have for everyone. This was a GR release, but it wasn't a massive GR, so many people took L's on this. And people who rather passing on them for some reason, they're gonna really regret when they get the chance to see this in hand or something, because this is one of the most beautiful sneakers of this year. Right here we got all this area in plastic, black right here, and bordeaux right here, just purple. It's called bordeaux because of a Paris wine that it's so popular right there and worldwide. Many people know this wine. Super dope color. Also right here we have the same color. This colorway really represents Paris. Super dope. The details that we have in the sneaker. In the back of the shoe we have the Paris Saint Germain logo with the white Jumpman right in the middle. This is the same logo that we have on the soccer team. They just switched the inside for the Jumpman. I really like this. This is the way we should have it on every Jordan 4. The feel, the touch, the quality, the material, super premium. And in the back we have this 75. For what I read, this is for the code area of Paris. Top detail right here, hiding right there. We have a white tongue with a black tag and the Jumpman inside. Dope tongue. White laces, only white laces on this sneaker, no extra one. Again, I don't know what this could happen, but I don't know, this is normal anyway. The lace tips are in gold. In the back of the tongue, we have the bordeaux color with a reverse Air Jordan in the tag. The sneaker is black inside with a black insole that had something right there in French. I don't know French, so I don't know what it says right there. We have this little tag right here that reads Paname or something like that. In the midsole, we have the bordeaux color right here, white right here, the air unit. Also we have black, more bordeaux right here. And going into the outsole, we're gonna find the same color, black, bordeaux, and white. Also, we're gonna find the Jumpman right in the middle. Take a look at the quality of this sneaker. This is super dope, super clean, super plush. Really, really dope. Even right here, you can see it. The sneaker is beautiful for everywhere you see it. This is all a beautiful and classic sneaker to have. Extremely dope, for real dope. This is a collaboration between Jordan Brand and the soccer team Paris Saint Germain, one of the most successful teams in soccer. Man, I'm not a soccer fan, but I have heard about this team because of all the successes this team had. Even Neymar, one of the best soccer players, is playing in this team. So this is a dope collabs, and not only for the collabs, but for the beautiful of the sneaker. This sneaker really feels so premium, for real premium. The bordeaux color is a nice touch. I know it's not the purple that we are accustomed to, like the purple that we have in this one and the metallic one right here. It's not the same purple. This is like a wine purple. That's why it's called bordeaux, because it's bordeaux wine. Super dope color. Something that I feel so sad is that this sneaker feels so premium, and this one that is a classic doesn't feel as premium as this. I know the materials are different, but I would like to see a Jordan. I would like to see this Jordan in these materials. Because, you know, I know this is more attached to the original, but the materials on this one, I'm telling you, this is something different. Super premium. I really like it. The materials in this one feels even better than the materials on the Jordan 3 fragments. For real, they feel better. Not way better, but just a little bit better. So guys, let me know your thoughts on this sneaker. Let me know if you could get them or not. I'm going to give this sneaker a 9 out of 10. Yes, this is probably high for you, but for me, this sneaker really deserves a 9 out of 10 because the material, color blocking, colorway, all the beautiful that this sneaker is put on together. I really love it. So for me, it's a 9 out of 10. A solid 9 out of 10. So guys, let me know how much would you give to this sneaker in a scale of 1 to 10 down in the comments. Yo guys, we are recording the on feet right now. That's going to be next on the video, so stay tuned. And now let's go back to the room and end this video off. And for the video, this is it. Nothing else to talk about this beautiful sneaker. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave some comments down below. Let me know all your opinions about this sneaker, the video, or whatever that you want to say. Just go to the comment section and say it. Also follow me on my Instagram at JasonJKicks, where I'm uploading videos and pictures all the time and new information about new sneakers. So go and subscribe to my Instagram at JasonJKicks. And guys, till the next one, goodbye.